In this video, I will show you how to change Chrome theme. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, and once you've done that, you want to come up to the top and click the button which says to open a new tab. When you do this, if you look in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see a button come up to customize Chrome. Give that a click and that's going to open up a window on the right hand side. In here you can see there's an option to change theme. Give that a click and what that's going to do is take you to a screen with different themes. From here you can choose a theme category. So if you look down you can see all these different theme categories, for example landscapes, and if we give that a click you can see some available themes. To change your Chrome theme, all you need to do is click the one that you want to choose and that's automatically going to change to this Chrome theme. You can also come back and upload your own images from your PC, or if you want to revert back to the default Chrome theme, you can see there's an option here for default Chrome, which is going to revert back to the default Chrome theme. So that is how to change Chrome theme. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.